So what this meeting is supposed to be is we're supposed to be doing a follow-up call after one of our students has gone through the training at Technical Sales University, and then this is the one-on-one consultation call that we're having with him and his team. So yeah, the main purpose of this meeting, from my understanding, was we're going to strictly talk about sales with Jeff, going through his process, stuff that he's learned in TSU, what's his approach, what are the next steps going to be, what are the activity, all that stuff, so that way we can make sure that he's pounding pavement, smiling, dialing, whatever he needs to do off the bat to get going.
Yeah. Jason.
Everything's got to start with a goal. You have to start with a goal and then work backwards from there. So from a goal standpoint, the goals need to be massive and lofty.
I mean, my ultimate personal goal is I would like to make $250,000 a year.
Okay. So you're telling me your goal is $250,000 a year in revenue or in income, right? So he's got 3.2% commission. Forgetting about the quarterly, forgetting about the annually, that's icing on the cake. The way that I would look at it, Jeff, is if you want to make, let's say, 200 grand in a year, you got to know what your commission needs, what you have to sell in order to figure out what you need to do to make it, right? So take your base out, whether it's 30, 40, 50, 60, 100, whatever your base is, take it out from the 200. You need to make X amount left over in commission. Plugging that into the spreadsheet.
Reverse engineering.
Exactly. You got to reverse engineer it to understand how much revenue do I have to generate for Troll Nation in order to hit my own personal numbers, right? Give me the average client value. Just give me take the highs and lows, sort it out, give me the middle.
The average sale number?
Well, our average sale, we're a little bit big. I think we were right around 24 and change, 2,400. Kyle, I wanted to say something to you. I know you probably got to leave soon. And Nancy and Alex, I never realized this has been so valuable, for me. And I never realized that you guys took it to this extent. And for what we're paying right now, for what you guys are doing, I really appreciate it. I just wanted to say that because I'm very excited and very excited where we can go with this. The values I never realized the value that you guys give until this phone call, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I just wanted to say peace and love.
No, we appreciate that. So our goal is for Jeff to get his beak wet and just start pounding pavement, making calls, closing deals, making money, and then at some point you guys reinvesting at least a little bit of it back into marketing. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon. Keep doing what you're doing. You too.
Thanks. Good to see you, Nancy.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.
That call was Technical Sales University student that also works at a company that we're doing marketing for. Very little bit of marketing, but the main takeaway from that is you got to know your numbers. What's your commission plan? I don't know. Know your commission plan, work backwards from the goal that you want to have, and know how many calls you got to make, how many people you have to talk to, how many clients you need to close on a monthly basis, weekly basis, quarterly basis to hit your sales numbers. That's what it's all about. Know your numbers and then work backwards from there and then start pounding pavement.